Sir, stop right there.
What? Why?
Come with me, please.
But my family is waiting.
So my company sent the wrong form. What happens now? I need to make a phone call to verify.
Mom, where is Dad?
He will come out soon. Don't worry.
Wake up! Big day today!
Is Dad coming home today?
Oh, Faye? Yes! Dad's plane lands at 2 o'clock.
I can't wait to see him. I made Dad a picture. Me too. Mine is better.
Dad has been away for 2 weeks. He misses you both so much.
2 weeks is a long time.
I know. I missed him every day.
Mom, why was Dad away so long?
He had a big work trip. Far away.
Okay, we need to get ready. We leave at noon. The airport is far.
What should I wear, Mom? Dad likes my yellow dress.
Wear the yellow dress. You look beautiful in it.
I'll wear my cool blue shirt. Dad has one just like it.
Let's call Dad before we go.
Yes, tell him we're coming.
I can see you all! I miss you!
We're coming to get you, Dad.
See you in a few hours.
Amy, I really can't wait.
Let's make sandwiches for the car.
Can I put the cheese in?
Of course, sweetie.
Mom, does Dad need his passport?
Yes, he always needs it at the airport.
What is a passport?
It's a small book. It says who you are. Every country checks your passport. It helps them keep everyone safe. Okay, shoes on. Time to go.
My drawing! I almost forgot!
I hope Dad brings us something.
Tom, that's not why we miss him.
The airport is about 1 hour away.
Are we there yet? What do you want to do when Dad comes home? Play soccer and eat pizza!
Almost there. Dad's plane lands very soon.
I'm so excited! Yes, yes!
I got a message from Dad. His plane landed early.
Good. We're here! We're here!
Okay, hold my hand. It's busy here.
When will the doors open, Mom?
Soon. International arrivals take more time.
Is it Hong time now, Mom?
A little. Other people are still waiting too. The screen says his flight landed. He should be here.
So why isn't he out yet?
Let me call him. He always answers right away. He's not answering.
Mom, is everything okay? Maybe his phone is off.
Yes, maybe. On the plane, they turn phones off. I'll try one more time. Come on, Ben, answer.
Mom, your face looks worried.
I'm okay. Everything is fine. Excuse me. My husband's flight was from Spain.
Yes, most passengers from that flight are through.
He hasn't come out. It's been an hour.
Sometimes immigration takes longer. Please wait.
What is immigration, Mom?
It's when officers check your passport when you enter a country.
What if something is wrong with Dad's passport?
His passport is fine, sweetheart. Where are you, Ben? Please be okay.
Mom, it's been a really long time.
I know, Lily. I know.
I'm hungry, Mom. And I'm scared too.
Here, eat your sandwich. And it's okay to be scared.
What do immigration officers do exactly?
They check if everything is correct. Your papers, your passport.
What if Dad's papers are not correct?
They are correct. Dad always does everything right. I'm going to ask the officer at the door. Stay here, please. Don't move. My husband came in on the Spain flight. He hasn't come out.
I'm sorry, ma'am. I can't give information about passengers.
What did he say?
He said to keep waiting. Lily, hold my hand.
I'm already holding Mom's hand.
Hold mine too.
Something is happening in there. Ben, please be okay.
Please sit down, Mr. Watson. Can you tell me what this is about? Your work visa expired 3 weeks ago.
What? No, that's not possible.
I renewed it. I sent the papers. Our system shows no record of renewal. My family is waiting. My wife, my 2 children, please. I have the papers right here. I understand, Mr. Watson, but I must verify everything. This takes time. I'm sorry. My daughter made me a drawing. She's 7. They've been waiting 2 weeks for me. Can I call my wife? She doesn't know where I am. Not yet. Please wait. I found the problem. Look here.
What is it?
The renewal was sent, but the wrong form was used.
The wrong form, but my company sent it.
So my company sent the wrong form. What happens now? I need to make a phone call to verify. My kids are out there right now. Tom is only 6. I spoke with your company's HR department, and they confirmed the error was theirs, not yours.
So I can go? I can go to my family?
I need to complete the paperwork first. 30 more minutes. I'm sorry for the wait.
Can I ask you something?
Yes. Do you enjoy this job, stopping people? I protect people. That is different from stopping them. Most people who come through here are good people, like you. But some are not. I cannot always know which is which before I check. I understand. I'm going to call my company after this. That mistake cannot happen again. Do you have children? A daughter 7, a son 6. They are waiting outside. I have 3 children. Then you know. They don't understand why Dad didn't come out. I'm working as fast as I can, Mr. Watson. Thank you. I can see that. Lily made me a drawing. She always makes me something when I travel. What does she draw? Our whole family, always together. My son wears a shirt like mine today. He told me on video call this morning. I'm almost finished, just signatures needed. I'm ready. Sign here and here. What does this say? It says we processed you. Everything is in order now. Your company must send the correct form within 30 days. Mr. Watson, you are free to go. Thank you, really, thank you. I hope your children are waiting for you tonight too. They will be. Go to yours. Amy, I'm coming. I'm sorry you had to wait. Please be there. Please still be there.
The door is opening!
Tom, come here!
Dad, I was so scared.
I know, my sweetheart, I know.
Ben, I was so worried.
I'm sorry. I couldn't call. I'll explain everything.
What happened to you, Dad? Where did you go?
Let's sit down. I'll tell you everything. You know the immigration officers? The ones who check passports?
Yes, Mom explained them to us today.
One of them stopped me. My work visa had a problem.
What is a visa, Dad?
It's permission to visit a country. A visa is like special permission to work in a country.
And yours had a mistake?
My company sent the wrong form. It was their mistake, not mine.
Ben, I knew it. I knew you had done everything right.
Were you scared, Dad?
Yes, I was scared too.
But you're a grown-up. Grown-ups don't get scared.
Scared, Tom. Even grown-ups.
What did you do when you were scared?
I stayed calm. I used my words. I showed my papers.
And then they let you go?
The officer checked everything. He found the truth. And then yes.
I tried to call you so many times.
I know. They had my phone on the table. I could see your name on the screen.
I tried so hard to stay calm for the children.
You did. I know you did. You always do.
Dad, the officer, was he mean?
No, he was doing his job. That is different.
But it's not fair. You didn't do anything wrong.
Sometimes things that are not fair are still necessary. If If we didn't have immigration checks, bad people could come and go freely.
And the officer can't know who is good and who is bad. So the officer stopped Dad to keep everyone safe?
Exactly, Tom.
Dad, I almost forgot. I have something for you. I made you a drawing.
Oh, Lily, look at this. That's our whole family. All together.
I made you one too. Mine is a rocket.
A rocket! Love it. Both are perfect.
Let's go home.
Yes, let's go home.
Can we have pizza tonight?
We can have anything you want.
You were in there for over an hour.
I know. I'm sorry. I kept thinking about all of you.
The officer, he was a good man.
You could tell? He has 3 children. He wanted to go home too.
That changes how it feels, doesn't it?
I'm happy Dad is back. Me too. I'm very happy.
Tom, Lily, I heard you were very brave today.
She didn't cry at all. Dad, I learned something today.
Tell me.
I learned that waiting is very hard. But we waited together. That made it okay. I learned that rules can feel unfair, but they can still be important.
That is a very grown-up thought, Lily. I learned that I am stronger than I thought.
Even when I was scared, I kept going.
Not my phone, not my boss, no. You.
I knew you were thinking about us.
Every second, buddy. Every single second.
Dad, are you going away again soon?
Not for a long time. I promise. And when I do go, you can call me anytime.
What if you're in immigration again?
Okay, time for sleep.
Can Dad do the bedtime story? He always does the best voices.
And they waited, and they waited, and they held hands. And then, the door opened.
And Dad came out!